Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing some large triangular box braids with the rubber band method, and I'm going to be using the Easy Tex pre-stretch braid. I think I used 2 packs. The hair is really nice. I like how it's really feathered at the end. And I'm also gonna be using the Shine and Jam magic fingers. I felt so bad messing up this whole design or thing, but it is what it is. So I'm just putting a little of that on the back of my hand, so it's like easily accessible for when I'm parting and I need to like put it on the hair. So I think I did 3 sections and a total of 11 braids. So I did 3 at the back, 4 in the middle, and 4 at the front. Yeah, because my client slash friend has a lot of hair, and yes, you might notice that she's cringing in some parts of this video because she's really tender-headed. So don't mind that. To make the part a little bit more crisper and cleaner, I'm putting the Shine and Jam on just the section and going over it with the tail comb or the rat tail comb, whichever one you want to call it. And I know, just noticing looking back at it, that I didn't do this for the rest of the parts, but it's fine. It still came out crisp and clean because I went over them like multiple times, so it's fine. But I'm just noticing that I didn't do it. So like I said before, I did 3 at the back and 4 in the middle and 4 at the front. So starting with the first one, I'm using the Shine and Jam pomade to just smooth the roots. And like I said guys, this is the rubber band method, box braids rubber band method, and I didn't even try to really get a strong hold with the elastic bands, so just be mindful of that because you can get a headache and it can cause the hair to like break if in case the rubber band decides to burst. So you don't need to do it too tight because remember that you still have to grip the hair with the braids, so just be mindful of that. So first things first, I'm using 1 strand of the braiding hair for 2 strands and her hair as the 3rd strand. So I'm just plaiting that normally, and this way I'm covering the band all around. So I'm just gonna plait that normally 1 time and then continue to add the rest of the hair. And I used 3 braiding hair, well, 3 strands in total for each plait or each braid. I also was attempting to tuck her hair under the braids, which I did do, but because her hair is so thick, it was kind of harder to do. So I did take my time because of course I didn't want her hair to show, and I was using number 2 braids. So I took my time and did some tucking and it came out good. So just, if you're doing this, just take your time. You don't need to rush, just take your time. So maybe you can see it better here, but I have the braiding hair in one hand, and that's 2 strands, and her hair is a 3rd strand. So I'm plaiting that one time, and then I'm gonna add the next strand of the braiding hair. Like, it's kind of like a knotless braid, but of course I'm not starting it like a knotless braid. I'm starting it wrapped with 3 strands of hair, her hair being the 3rd strand. So after that, I just feed in the last 2 strands of braiding hair for that braid itself, and then I just continue plaiting while I'm tucking, of course. And yeah, I didn't really plait to the ends, of course, because I'm gonna cut it. So feel free to pause the video right here and take a screenshot or a picture. So I'm just gonna cut the hair. I did add some more rubber bands to the end just to mark where I want to cut them. Then I'm gonna take a lighter and just burn the ends, not too harsh. I'm just burning the tip. If you're on the edge, please ask an adult to do this for you. Then I'm taking the gold clips just to put at the ends and to cover the elastic bands, and I did add some to along the braids as well. So here you can see the elastic band isn't showing, everything is covered. And yeah, if you follow these steps, it will work, just trust me. And that's the finished product. I hope you guys liked it, because I did. I was really surprised that I could actually do this. And I know that sounds weird, but this style was the last thing on my mind ever. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you in my next one.